So let's look at types of bait. There's a whole lot of them, as you can see. There's cheat sheets, there's case studies, toolkits or templates, resource lists, reports, guides, tutorials, free downloads or free trials, quizzes, surveys, swipe files, webinars, free events for classes, value videos, mini courses, free plus shipping, free books, free CDs, free DVDs. CDs and DVDs probably not so much because we're in the world of technology and where we're at right now, we're kind of phasing out of that. You could also do USB. You could send out a free USB drive. That's actually popular right now. Now, I'm not saying you have to use all of these or just one of these, but some things are better suited for specific industries. Like for instance, maybe if you sell some sort of like WordPress template service or pack or something, then a template freebie might be great because that's probably what your ideal customer wants. If your ideal customer is a marketer and they want to learn something fast, and cheat sheets are great, so are case studies. If and webinars are sort of the how do I put this? They're the exception to almost every rule, because webinars break almost every rule that there is. In terms of, like for instance, one rule is to make sure that whatever you give away in your bait is short and easily consumable. A webinar is often an hour and a half, yet people still attend them. So, webinars, I think, are one of the highest and most efficient ways to sell something, but it's not going to adhere to some of the rules I'm going to show you, but I will make that clear. They're also pretty advanced. Okay. Of all these things here, they're probably the hardest to do well. So if you're a beginner, cheat sheets is probably the easiest, and cheat sheets works great. Lead Pages built their entire company off of cheat sheets, and they have like 20,000 customers or some crazy amount. There's nothing wrong with cheat sheets, but keep in mind that if you're really stellar on video, maybe you want to do video, or maybe you do want to do a webinar or something like that. All right. So let's delve a little deeper into this. Okay, first of all, regardless of what you choose, it doesn't matter which type of bait you choose. You got to be able to sell your bait. Now you might be saying, well, wait a minute. What do you mean it's free? But my bait's free. What do you mean sell it? Okay. Listen, yeah, your bait is free. It's definitely free, but you still need to sell people on the idea that they should part with their email address in order to receive it. Because it's not really free. They have to do something to get it. They have to give you their email or something like that. So it might be monetarily free, but it's not really free because you are asking them to do something to get it. All right. So the most effective way to do this, to sell your bait, is by creating a great headline, also known as title, for your bait. What you call your bait is the single most important reason why someone would want it. All right. That's huge, people. Huge. Okay. The title is the single most important reason.